Singh, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can use cloth modifier in 3ds Max by creating a stimulation of cloth falling on a table, and I'm gonna show you how you can make a pillow-like object in 3ds Max. Alright, so let's start. For my table I'm going to use cylinder, and I'm going to use plane as my cloth object. And if you want to make your stimulations look better, you need to increase the amount of segments in your object that you're going to use for plane. So I've already notched it up to around 60 by 60, and what we have to do now is move our cloth object above our collision object, and that's about it. And now I'm going to apply my modifier on my plane. Search cloth in the modifier list, press enter, go to object properties, select the plane, convert it to cloth, and from preset choose whatever material you want to use for the stimulation. I'm gonna use cashmere in this. And now what we have to do is add our collision object to the modifier. For that, go to add objects, select cylinder, click add, and convert our cylinder to collision object and press OK. Now we have to check if our stimulation have gravity or not. In this case it's turned on. Now we can click on stimulate local for our stimulation. Alright, so our cloth stimulation is in process. I'm happy with the stimulation. Now we can move on to our next task. For that I'm going to use box as my pillow object. You can choose whatever length and width for your pillow according to your requirement. Now apply your cloth modifier to the object, go to object properties, select your object, convert it to cloth, choose your preset, and in this you actually have to increase the pressure so that there is a volume inside your object, and as long as the value is in positive side, your stimulation should work. So now press OK, and for this stimulation I don't want any gravity, so I'm gonna turn this off and click on stimulate local. Alright, so it's already taking a shape of a pillow. That looks good. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.